To enable RCS for rich text messages on iPhone, you will need to follow these steps. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, as RCS is only available on newer versions. Next, go to the Settings app and select Messages. In the Messages section, toggle on the iMessage switch if it is not already enabled. Although iMessage is not the same as RCS, it is a similar technology that allows for rich text messages between Apple devices. To use RCS with non-Apple devices, you will need to use a third-party messaging app that supports RCS. Some popular options include Google Messages and Microsoft SMS Organizer. Download and install one of these apps from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and follow the in-app instructions to enable RCS. You may need to enter your phone number and verify it with a code sent to your device. After verifying your phone number, you should be able to send and receive rich text messages with other users who have RCS enabled. Keep in mind that RCS is not supported by all carriers, so you may need to check with your carrier to see if they support it. Additionally, not all devices support RCS, so you may not be able to send rich text messages to everyone. It is also worth noting that while RCS offers many of the same features as iMessage, it is not as secure. RCS messages are not end-to-end encrypted like iMessages are, so you should be cautious when sending sensitive information. By following these steps, you should be able to enable RCS for rich text messages on your iPhone and enjoy a more feature-rich messaging experience.